Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your clock on your Volkswagen Polo 4 R9M3. The first step is we have to insert our key. So insert that and then rotate the key two positions. You does not need to start the engine, only switch on the electronic parts. Then you can see the trip reset button. And this trip reset button is not only to reset the trip, it also can be adjust your time. If you rotate this knob to the left side, it will set the hours. If you rotate the knob to the right direction, it will set up the minutes. So it is really easy. You can choose this trip reset key and rotate it anti-clockwise to set the hours. Rotate it clockwise, it will set the minutes. Job's done. Let's have a checkup. 12:44. Job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.